Welcome back, fellas, into this new video of TechExpress. Today, let's check out how we can download COD Warzone. So, Call of Duty Warzone is one of the most popular free-to-play games, but installing it is a little bit different from other games. This requires the Battle.net client, even though the game itself is for free. Yes, so this guide will be walking you through the essential steps in getting into the Battle.net. The first thing is to download and install the Battle.net. So the Warzone is managed by the Battle.net launcher. If you go directly into Google, for example, you can go for Battle.net, and here is the Blizzard Entertainment. So click directly in here. Now you want to look for the download button, which in this case here is the download Battle.net. So I click this option that says download Battle.net. Usually this is located in the top navigation bar and download the PC installed file. This one is going to be popping up this section that says Battle.net setup.x. So I just clicked directly into the downloader files, and I wanted to follow the prompts now to install the Battle.net launcher into my PC or my laptop. So this automatically is going to be updating the update agent. So when the launcher opens, you will need, of course, to create a free Battle account if you don't already have one, or just simple login. In my case, what I need to do is just to wait a few seconds till the application has now been correctly installed. Then you want to locate and select the Warzone installation process once this element has now been successfully added into my PC. So I'm going to head over for continue. It says installing the Battle.net. And here once again, I just needed to wait a few seconds till the installation process has now been correctly completed. So you will be receiving a verification code that you must, let's say, add directly into a new browser. And this will be taking you directly into this main hub. So usually it says you can now return. I'm going to go for allow. Return to your Battle.net game or application. This is going to be helping me to sign in a very easy way. So I can now close this. I close this element. And we should be now inside the Battle.net. So we are now inside here, this element. So I'm going to hit into the option that says done. Hit over for continue. I'm going to skip the actual tour. And let's focus now directly into games. Directly here into games, I'm going to focus into the option that says search games. And here what you want to do is to look out for Call of Duty. Here what you can do is to look out for in this case we want to look out for this one that says Call of Duty. It says play for free. This is the actual installed Call of Duty, the Warzone. So what you want to do now is to, before you click into start install, you will see a small menu for installation option, because the full Call of Duty client is massive. So make sure you uncheck any optional content like the campaign, the high resolution assets, the co-op mode if you only wanted to play the actual Warzone. So when you click into the option that says play for free, this will be sending you into the actual installation. So I disable the enable auto update to disable the element that says here. It's requiring a lot of gigabytes requirements, and you can change the actual folder if you wanted to. In this case, I wanted to disable this Black Ops 7 and 6. I wanted to only enable the option that says the Warzone. So choose the option that says Warzone and go for the option that says install the installation. Now, if your internet connection is slow, you can limit the download speed. Go to the settings with the Battle.net client and find the download section. You can set a bandwidth cap there. Now the Warzone will be playable once it reaches the playable status, allowing you to launch the game while the rest of the files download to the backup. So yes, this might be taking really long time. If you have like an average connection, this might be taking up to 8 hours to making the full installation. But once again, when you reached the new element where you can now start to play, meanwhile this is going to be installed, you can now, let's say for example, wait up to 4 hours before you can start playing. So you are ready to play the Warzone. Once again, the steps are install the Battle.net client, log in or create an actual account, and find the Call of Duty game hub and deselect unnecessarily installation components so you don't take so long into the installation. So what maps are you dropping into first? Let me know into the comments below. If the tutorial was helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to TechExpress. Thank you once again for watching the video, guys. Hopefully with all this being said, we can see you well next time. See you soon.